steel wings flying fast, a hero stands up to the test. Feathers sharp as arrows thrown, evil lurking in the trees. No safety and no way home, only courage in the breeze. And Stymphalian birds, you fly so high, but Herc will bring you down. With a bow and with his might, he'll cast you to the ground. With Athena by his side, clappers ringing through the air, stirring metal birds to flight. Hercules without a care, drawing arrows one by one, steady hand and focused eye, piercing banners under sun. Hail to Hercules, they cry. Stymphalian birds, you fly so high, but Herc will bring you down. With a bow and with his might, he'll cast you to the ground. You fly so high, but Herc will bring you down. With a bow and with his might, he'll cast you to the ground. Stymphalian birds, you fly so high, but Herc will bring you down. With a bow and with his might, he'll cast you to the ground. He'll cast you to